Most of us cannot start our days with a cup of coffee, isn't it? But, do you know apart from the refreshment, coffee may also help in promote hair growth? Yes, this amazing ingredient can help you gain beautiful long, strong, and lustrous hair. Today, we will share 3 easy but effective recipes with coffee, to promote hair growth faster. You can try any of them easily at home, and get longer and stronger hair in just 2 weeks. Don't forget to subscribe and stay with us. Coffee benefits for the hair. The length and quality of one's hair depends on the health of the hair follicles. The antioxidants in coffee stimulate the follicle's ability, reduce hair fall, help to get healthy and lustrous hair, and makes your hair shiny and long. Coffee also helps in exfoliating the scalp, improving the blood circulation, and boosts the appearance of your hair. It works as an excellent hair mask, and effective as a leave-in conditioner. How to grow hair faster naturally with coffee. Recipe 1. Mix 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil together to make a paste. Apply this on your hair, and gently massage in a circular motion. Now leave it for 30 minutes, then wash off with normal water and a mild shampoo. Repeat 3 times every week to see better results. Recipe 2. Take 2 tablespoons of coffee powder, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix all the ingredients to form a smooth paste, and apply both on your hair and scalp, and gently massage in a circular motion. Now let it stay for an hour. After that, wash off with your regular shampoo. Do this thrice in a week to see faster and better results. Recipe 3. Use as a conditioner. This will give your hair an extra shine, and make your hair look softer. Simply brew some coffee, and let it cool. Now wash your hair with a mild shampoo. After that, pour the brewed coffee over your hair and scalp. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, and wash off with normal water. This will make your hair smooth and silky instantly.